My name is Hazal. I'm 23 years old and I've just qualified as a doctor in the UK.
Apparently, I'm a doctor now.
As a member of the not so lucky group of new doctors, I got randomly allocated to my 8th choice location to work in, meaning I've had to pack up my bags and say goodbye to my friends and family and move 100 miles away to Coventry to work as a doctor for the next 2 years.
I didn't want to move. I didn't want to be here.
Well, today is my first day, aka changeover day, aka Black Wednesday.
I'll be honest, every junior doctor is scared of this day.
Let's see how this goes.
Guys, this is it. I'm officially a doctor. I can't believe I'm officially a doctor. And I start work today. Today's my first day of work. I'm gonna go into hospital today and I'm gonna have my own patients to take care of. I can't believe it. Like, this is it. It's no longer Miss Hazal Turridge. It's Dr. Hazal Turridge. Oh, last night I couldn't even sleep because I was so nervous. For the last week, we've had induction week, which is basically when we went into hospital, but we had a bunch of lectures. We had like admin bits and bobs, like sorting out our ID badges, getting our ICT logins. I also got to go onto the wards and meet my team, and guys, I actually love my team. Like, I've only spent like 1 week with them, but they are so supportive and just so friendly and welcoming. Walking into the wards for the first time, walking down the corridors by myself as a doctor was like a surreal experience. I really had like a reflective moment. I was like, damn, like this is it. This is what I've been working for the last 5 years. Every other time I've been in the hospital, I've been a medical student, but this time I went into the hospital as a doctor, and it's like I made it moment. I got up this morning bright and early, I got ready for the day, had a shower, did my skincare, and now I'm gonna make myself a smoothie for the day. Guys, bear with me whilst I figure out the best angles in this house, but for now, you're on top of my air fryer and this is gonna have to work. I'm now gonna make myself some breakfast, yogurt, and another spoon. There we go. I need to change this angle. What about if I put you guys in the cupboard? Grapes and nuts, a little oat bar, and here I've got my lunch for today. It doesn't look like much, but I'm gonna explain. Last night I meal prepped my lunch for today. I made myself a kind of filled tuna wrap, and then in here I've got roasted sweet potatoes and some halloumi that I have definitely overcooked. By the way, guys, this is one of my favorite things in the apartment. I remember when I was away in like Seoul, Japan, and like Malaysia, and Singapore, which is here. I got these fridge magnets to make me excited about moving out because, oh, there I am. I wasn't looking forward to moving out, and now to see them in my apartment on my fridge, it feels like a full circle moment. So I've got my breakfast. I forgot to mention that today is actually known as changeover day / Black Wednesday, which is essentially when all the current doctors go on to their next jobs, to their next wards, and then the new doctors come onto those wards. So it will be an interesting day. I'm just now packing my bags. I've got my, if you guys can't see, I've got my smoothie, my water, my lunch bag, my stethoscope, and of course I've got my trusted notebook and extra pens. It looks a bit cold outside, so I'm gonna put on my university fleece. Oh my gosh, quite cute. It's got like my university's logos, my initials, and then on the back, I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? It says Barcelona, London School of Medicine and Dentistry. I can't take you guys with me to the hospital for obvious reasons, so you guys are staying here. I'm a bit nervous, but it's gonna be fine. You guys are gonna see how it went in about 2 seconds, but I've got a whole 9-hour shift to do, so let's go. I'm late, but I'm procrastinating. It's gonna be fine. What could possibly go wrong? This could either go really, really well or really, really badly, so let's see what happens. Guys, I'm now back home. My first official day as a doctor has just finished. What a day. Today, a lot happened. As you can see, I'm still in my scrubs, so I need to get changed, hence why I don't want to sit on my sofa or anything, but I can't believe my first day as a doctor is officially over. By the way, if you guys are wondering why I'm always next to the window, is because I need natural light. I'm not gonna lie, today was actually a really good day. Like, as far as F1's first days go, I had a great day. The team I'm with are just so lovely. All the doctors, all the nurses are very, very supportive, and like, they know it's my first day. So every time I had a silly question, and guys, I had probably 1,000 silly questions. They were all happy to help, and like figuring things out with the other new doctors was just so fun. It felt good to just do doctor stuff. But yeah, overall a solid day, and I look forward to just figuring out things more and becoming more and more useful as the days go on. I feel like I can't stop smiling because I'm just happy that today was a good day. I was very, very nervous, and I felt like I didn't know how I was going to react to all the responsibility and whatnot, but all good. I did well. Dr. Turaj is doing okay. But yeah, now I'm gonna go make some dinner, and then in the evening I'm gonna meet up with some friends. So yeah, but first of all, I need to get changed out of these clothes. I'm actually knackered. I didn't realise how tired I was until I got into some comfy clothes and I sat down, and now all I can think about is sleeping. But I've agreed to go out with some friends today. I'm gonna fall asleep in this chair, but anyway, I wanted like a breakfast type of dinner. Scrambled eggs, avocado, cottage cheese and pita bread, and some orange juice. I need to leave here in like 20 minutes, and I still need to do the dishes, and I need to clean up, and I need to eat, and I need to get changed. It's not looking good, is it? So yeah, I'm gonna go meet some of the F1s today. I really want to stay at home. You guys just saw in the last clip. I had my dinner, and I was like, I could really do with some sleep. But I'm trying to be social. I'm in a new city, I've got a new job, so I'm trying to make as many friends as possible so that I don't get lonely. I don't know if I'm gonna take any clips, but if I do, I'm gonna insert them now. Honestly, today has been a great day. I still can't believe I'm a doctor. All the hard work has been worth it. I don't know, I feel like I need to just sit down and reflect on like the last 5 years and how much of a great achievement this is, and how much I need to celebrate it. Even though I celebrated it with a big graduation party, I just feel like I don't want to forget that this is what I was working towards for so long. I love you all so much. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Now that I'm in this whole new chapter, there's going to be much more new content coming from me and Lydie. Make sure you guys stick around to stay up to date with all the different things we get up to during our foundation years, and I'll see you guys in a new video next time. Bye.